So, uh, today we will solve exercise 8.1 and question number 3. It is given here, if sine A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So, I have we will start from there. What I have told you in the second video and after that third video, that is definitions. So, पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. भूखा BH means भ and भरा BH मतलब भ in बांग्ला. भ मतलब भालू, भा मतलब भालो, BH and ह for हरा, H for हरा, P for प्यासा, पाकिस्तान. Otherwise you may say Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bol, and these are called techniques to learn the ratio. The first one is sine, then the second is cos, and then this is tan. So whenever you have written sine A, and also I have told you, for any angle, most of the times you will be asked for this angle. This will be right angle because in definition, and this will be A. This may be also, but later I will tell you. This is, so I have made this. Sine A means, sine A means 3 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. Actually, this is the question, this is the ratio. The triangles may be others also. Just like I have told you now, I have made other triangles for you also to show you. These two triangles. This is right angle triangle. This is 10, this is 20, and this is 10 root 3. Means the bigger one 30 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. So we know the ratio, we don't know what is the actual side of the triangle. Means the photo is like this. So this, because in this case, yes, this one. For suppose this is the angle A, this is angle A, this is angle, because this is parallel. So this I am talking about this triangle or this triangle, we don't know because we have given only ratio. But we can find the other ratio. We cannot find any values, length. We cannot find, but we can find the ratio. This is A, this is angle A 30 degree, but it is not a 30 degree here. And 3 upon 4 means A for with respect to A, this is the perpendicular, this is the base. So 3 upon 4 it given. It may be, ratio means what? It may be 3 upon 4. It may be 3 2 ja 6, 2 ja. So 4 2 ja upon 12. This 3 double and this 4 double. It may be half of this also, means the similar triangles will be there. The same ratio will be there, if you double it, if you double this, if you double the ratio again, this is 6, this is 8, and there, 3 2 ja and 4 2 ja 8. So this will be 6, then there will be 8, midpoint theorem, So we don't know. So that's why this may be 30, 10 times this may be 40. But whatever, if this 3 and 4, so that's why in your book, in examples, all the examples, it is given 3 times of k. This is the side length. This is 4 into k. Normally we don't, students don't write k, but you should write k. K means we don't know the actual value. This is the only ratio. But k means any multiple will be there. Any multiple. And if this is 3k, this is 4k. Now we have come on one triangle, not all the triangles. Then what will be the value of this? So you will use Pythagoras theorem. So this is the sign. Now use Pythagoras theorem to find the third side. Pythagoras theorem. Because this is, you have taken A, so take it B, and this is C. Now we have come on for an example K. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to, we have to find AC, is equal to BC square plus AB square. AC square BC square BC is equal to 3k to the whole square plus 4k to the whole square. You will see k will not play any role. AC square is equal to, so AC, you will find the AC is equal to, you will solve by yourself, 3 square k square, 9k square plus 16k square, add 25k square, then under root AC will be 5 into k. This is 3, 4 and 5, 5 into k. That will be multiples of, if this will be 30, this will be 40. At that time, this will be 50. If this is 6, this is 8. So that will be 10. Because 2 times multiply. And here 10 times multiply. Here k times multiply. Okay. So we can find, we don't know the k, but we can find the ratio. This ratio, this. Ratio, similar triangle. All the triangles will be similar. Triangles may be of smaller, triangles may be of smaller, triangles may be of larger also. But the ratio will be same. 3, 4, 5, I have told you, 6, 8, 10, 30, like that. So this is 5k. And after that, what you have to find? Sin A is tan A. You will find. Okay. So this was the sign. I have found AC, and then you have to found which value? Cos A and tan A. So this cos A equals, yes, for A, cos A, base by hypotenuse. So 4k upon 5k is equal to 4 upon 5. So some students don't use k, only 3, 4, 5. So that is correct, but not so much. You should to use k for these questions, and that is why in your book. And tan A, sin cos tan, these are the importance, because the others are inverse of this. Sin cos tan. So tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. So this is perpendicular and by base. So 3k upon 4k is equal to 3 upon 4. That is, these are the answers. And it's very interesting, any one ratio if we know, we can find all other ratio. And any one ratio and at least one side, then we can find all the sides. So in trigonometry, you will see.